Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost a video from Facebook to Instagram. Is it possible to share a video from Facebook to Instagram? Yes. In this video, we will show you a short techniques to share a video from Facebook on Instagram. So, first we go to the YouTube to select a video from it. So take any video which you want. So let we use the video which we want to share on Instagram. In this video there is no option of share, so we take this one. There is the option of share. Click on the share. So first we check option of Instagram feed. There is only one option of Instagram chat, so we use a third-party app for this. So click on the SnapTube, which is the third-party apps for downloading this video. So you first download this video, start downloading. So once it downloaded, so go to your profile on Instagram and click on the plus icon, then click on the post. So you see the video which you downloaded is here. So click on the next. This was the video. So click on OK. Then click on the next to share on Instagram. So if you want to add some caption, yes, we add a caption as subscribe my channel and like video. This is only for you to like our video and subscribe our channel. Then click on the share button. So the video will be shared on your Instagram feeds as a post. To wait for the finishing up. Once it finish, you will see it on your profiles posts. So it's going to finish. In the gap you subscribe our channel. So take this, the video is finished, and you see here once you refresh it, yes, this is the video which we repost it from Facebook on Instagram. Thanks for watching.